Hey there, Grizzlies. This is Mrs. Samp, the assistant principal here at Grissom. And today I'm going to show you real quickly how to create or update your profile on Schoology. So I am logged into my Schoology homepage right here. There's all my courses listed. I have lots of courses that I have access to. And if I go up here to the right-hand corner where my name is, and I use the drop-down arrow, your profile comes up. And I'm going to click on your profile, and every piece that's available to you is right here in this yellow box. So the first thing we're going to do is add a photo. I want to caution everybody to be very careful about how you're representing yourself and your family and your school through your photo on Schoology. So it has to be school appropriate, which means you would look like you might look coming dressed to school. Okay, and if you're not comfortable using a picture of yourself, or you don't have a selfie or access to a picture of yourself, you can choose an avatar from the Schoology site, or you can find a picture online to use, or even a Bitmoji. So if you're going to use an avatar, you just click on it down here and follow the prompts. I'm going to attach a file because I created a Bitmoji group of photos, and I'm going to find where I saved them on my computer here, and I have them in a picture folder right here on my computer's hard drive. I'm going to open that up, and here's my Bitmoji file, and I have some different ones, and I think I am going to choose to do this one as my favorite, Stay Calm. And that's kind of my mantra for the year, is staying happy, helpful, and calm. So that's the picture I'm going to use as my profile picture. And so that is all saved, and I can close out of that. And then you can go through and choose to write a short bio about yourself. So here's my bio, and a bio is short, in case you weren't sure, is short for biography. And biography is information or a story about the person writing it. So it leads you through the different things to put. So subjects taught, I am certified as a science teacher, and I'm certified as a school administrator. Levels taught, I've taught at the middle school level. Position, I'm an assistant principal, and my biography says I'm married to Christopher, and we have 3 amazing married adult children, 3 fantastic in-law children, and 6 awesome grandchildren. Being a grandma is one of my favorite things, and you can see the rest of my bio there. It talks a little bit about me and my birthday. Now your bio is going to be in as a student, so it's not going to ask you what subjects you've taught or levels you've taught or what your position is, but will give you questions that pertain to students. After I finish that, then at the bottom I would click Save Changes. I didn't make any changes, so I'm going to go ahead and click that anyways. And then up here you get your profile has been updated, and you know that it's completed. Next, I would go to interests and activities, and I'm going to list some of the things that I like to do: golfing, hiking, traveling, dining out, visiting with friends, and most of all, spending time with our family. My interests: mindfulness and self-care, decorating, shopping, reading, and mostly the academic, social, and emotional growth of all of my students. And that is all done, so I'm going to save those changes. And I've received a notice that it's been updated. And the last part is my contact information. And I don't have a website, so I just put my office phone number so people can get a hold of me, save my changes, and my profile has been updated. So now my profile is all set, and when people see me, they will see my little emoji, and they would be able to look and find out information about me. I also want to caution you on being just a little bit careful about how much information or the kind of information you share about yourself when you put a profile out there, because there are certain things that maybe you don't want other people necessarily to know that might give them the ability to contact you or use it in some negative way. So make it very topical kinds of information about yourself. Just fill in the prompts and don't give too much detail. If you're not sure what you should put in your biography, you are welcome to shoot me an email at jsamp@wcskids.net, and I would be happy to proofread anything that you want to put on there and take a look at your pictures if you're not sure if they are school appropriate. Otherwise, your teachers would also be willing to help you with that, and of course, I'm sure your parents would. I hope everybody gets on and does their task today, their Schoology task of creating their profile. Talk to you all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be kind.